Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tricks app channel. Today I'll show you how to blur video in Filmora. If you are using Wondershare Filmora for video editing and you have any specific area in your video that you want to blur, then this video is for you. I'll be showing some easy steps to blur anything in the video. The method I will show you is easy, and it will move with the object you want to blur, so don't miss out any step and stick till the end. After opening Filmora, drag your video to Media section. After this, drag it to the timeline. Let's take an example of this video. I am going to blur the monkey face. Click on the video, and on the right side you can see some options. In the video section, select AI tools, then drag it a bit and you will see an option for motion tracking. Click on it. Now adjust this box and place it on the object you want to track. Click on Start Motion Tracking. Now after it has been tracked, click on Link Element. Select Add a Mosaic. Now you can also adjust its size and capacity. Congratulations, the video has been blurred. Let me show you the video. So, these were some simple steps to follow. If you want to download Filmora, please check out the link in the description. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like videos, please share with others and don't forget to like and subscribe.